Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 for Songmaker. We hear our Mary Had a Little Lamb song again, and now let's talk about some options. If you want to change the speed of your song, that's called changing the tempo. There's a little slider bar right here where you can make the song slower or way fast. Experiment with the songs that you write and change their speed. Another thing we can do is change the actual sounds. Right now what we're hearing is called a marimba. We could change it to piano. You could write a piano song. You could change it to strings. This is the sound of a violin being plucked by the fingers. Not quite like a guitar with the fingers, but a little different. This is the woodwind option. This is the sound of a bass clarinet, a bigger version of a regular clarinet. We'll talk about those in other lessons. The synth sound makes it kind of sound like a video game, doesn't it? You could write your songs in any of these sounds to make them sound exactly the way you want to make them sound. And back to the marimba. In part 3, we're going to talk about the little device down here that says electronic, and this part underneath our notes that we haven't explored yet. Tune in for part 3, and I'll see you guys soon. Keep experimenting.